Meet Edison. Edison is a robust educational robot designed to bring coding to life for students and help teachers deliver meaningful 21st century education. But Edison isn't just a robot. It's a complete STEM solution, including 3 progressive programming languages, an engineering expansion kit, and flexible educational resources which support students and teachers every step of the way. Edison makes learning computer science an authentic, hands-on experience that engages students far more than a simple screen can. Students of all ages and abilities can kickstart learning with Edison's unique barcodes, activating preset programs in the robots. They can then jump into any of Edison's 3 programming languages and start creating for themselves. Fully graphical EdBlocks is intuitive and fun, perfect for introducing anyone to programming. EdScratch combines the ease of drag-and-drop programming with powerful functionality and versatility, offering a robust platform for computer science education. Text-based EdPy makes learning the core of a real-world programming language achievable, empowering students to take their exploration of robotics and coding to a more advanced level. With complete lesson plans, teacher guides, and student activities written at grade appropriate reading levels and focused on topics students love, Edison helps deliver coding and STEM education across primary, middle, and early high school. Designed for the classroom environment, the robots are durable, have no loose parts to manage, and thanks to their compact size, are easy to store. Edison works right out of the box, fully pre-built with all sensors ready to use. There's no software to install or manage, making it easy to use Edison with different device types and platforms, including laptops and tablets. Edison empowers students to become not just coders, but inventors, problem solvers, and creative thinkers. Self-directed lessons and activities allow students to work at their own pace, building key skills as they progress. Thanks to its multiple inbuilt sensors and expandable build capabilities, opportunities to enhance education beyond coding abound with Edison. Extension activities, challenges, and open-ended projects using Edison let students invest in their own learning, exploring a range of skills across mathematics, science, critical thinking, engineering, and more. With Edison, the possibilities are endless.